Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show we have a mini helicopter. It is the Airwolf. We're going to be telling you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, thanks for joining our show today. We have the mini Airwolf. This is so cool and it's very easy to fly. It is for indoor use. And all you have to do is, there is an on and off button on the side right here. And this is also USB rechargeable. And then this has, how many batteries does the controller have? 4 AA batteries. Very easy to sync up. And can I show them how to do this?
Yes.
I'm going to turn the on button on the remote. All right.
Up.
Okay.
And then down.
Back down. Now it's all synced. Now this right here is
up and down.
All right. And what about this controller right here?
It goes forward, sideways, or backwards.
Okay. Oh, and yeah, this helicopter does also go backwards. So let's go ahead and raise it up.
Hello, kitty. Whoa! It's kind of. Oh no! It's getting caught.
You can see it's really easy to control.
It's going up. Oh, the back one makes it move. Oh no!
Almost hit my lights there.
Bring it back to here
Okay.
so we can land it. Land it. Land it. Land it.
And if you hit this button right here, it will just
Land it.
come right down in an easy landing. It's
Yeah.
really easy to fly.
Makes you want to learn how to fly a helicopter. Land it.
I like that it has a light on it in the front, so it's kind of easy to know what direction it's going to.
And I like the light because it can go in the dark too. Land it. Land it.
And you can even go backwards, so let's show them how to go backwards.
Back.
Just like that.
Back. Forward.
Let's go toward the camera. I'll raise it. This is a lot of fun. A lot of fun to fly.
And to land. Whoa. Up.
Bring it up there.
Hello.
All right, let's bring it back home here. All right.
So I don't want to go too far. Now.
And drop it right there.
Boom.
This is awesome.
Awesome.
Hey, we have a lot of fun with this. We played with this quite a bit, and we found out that it's so easy to control. I love the altitude hold. That's where you bring it up and it'll just stay at that altitude. We were flying it around in the kitchen, in the living room. The altitude hold holds it perfectly, and when you're driving around, it doesn't drift at all. It's usually on a nice straight direction, nice straight pattern. We will leave a link down below where you can find this on
Amazon.
And like always, have a fun day.
Adios. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.